Hello there, welcome back. So today I got a 2007 Chevy Impala. So we're showing this service airbag light in the dash. So I'm going to show you how to bypass it, guys, using these 2.2 ohms resistor, and it's off watt. So let me show you what I do. So right to this side here, we're going to remove this cover that goes to the side on the driver side, as you can see. Go right there, just gonna pick it off, that screwdriver or something, and you will look to this side right here where it's that connector, that wire on this holder right there. Just gonna remove these, and you're gonna connect the resistor between these wires, as you can see right there. Just connect between it just like that, guys, and then you're gonna bridge this one to this right here, and the light will go off. As I can see it go off, so I'm going to remove it back. So I remove it, so the light come back on, put it back, and there you go. So that's how you bypass your airbag, guys, in your Chevy Impala. Oh, that's it right there, guys. And there you go. So if you find this very useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.